San Carlo alla Quattro Fontane, translated as Church of St. Charles at the Four Fountains, designed by architect Francesco Borromini between 1638 and 1646, is located in Rome, Italy, at a narrow corner of a street. Borromini designed the church in the Baroque style, which is defined as a style that emphasizes bold volumes, colonnades, domes, light and shade, and the juxtaposition of volume and void. All such aspects of Baroque architecture are evident in Borromini's church. The facade of the church is emphasized by tall Corinthian columns that bear the main entablatures and the smaller columns that weave behind to the Corinthian columns to create the concave convex niches that are the main elements of the exterior facade. The undulation of the facade of the church creates void and mass, and thus reflects upon the church's Baroque nature. The interior of the church operates along the longitudinal and transverse axis to create the shape of a Latin cross. Looking at a plan of the church, the cross is a dominant structure of organization for the different elements of San Carlo. Everything within the interior of the church aligns with an axis, thus illustrating order and control. The main focus within the interior of the church is the oval entablature that encircles the dome with its crown of gold foliage. The dome provides a hierarchical lighting to the entirety of the church. The light from the dome filters into the depths of the lower body of the church, so as one travels higher and higher, the light becomes increasingly stronger and is a metaphorical representation of one's relationship with God. Borromini had several struggles in the creation and design of the church. The problem he had to initially overcome was the difficulty of the cramped site, because it is situated at a cramped, awkward corner of the street. Though Borromini makes an elaborate second-story facade, because of the narrowness of the street, the details of the high facade are hidden because the observer is unable to look upon them properly from an appropriate angle. Another struggle was the lack of funding. Borromini had a difficult time finding money to fund the building and materials needed for the church. But spewing from the financial difficulty was Borromini's material genius and mastery of stucco. He overcame the financial barrier by adapting his design to the material stucco. The entire church is made of stucco-covered brick, but his mastery was so great that when a visitor saw the church in 1644, he thought it was built of all of a new white stone.